It's the last day of the Premier League, and we're having the final matches. I feel so amazing. I feel so sad at the same time. I'm a Manchester United fan, so I'm hoping we beat Leicester to stay in the top four. I'm seeing that match as a win or draw for Man U. I don't see Leicester beating us because they have so many injured players. But hopefully, go Man United.
I think Chelsea is going to win. Obviously, the Chelsea fan. I expect Chelsea to win. Last game of the season against Wolves. Wolves are a tough side, but Chelsea has to win. We're going to definitely win. So I think Chelsea will beat Wolves by maybe. So like Chelsea might edge Wolves maybe like 2 goals to 1. 2 goals to 1, or maybe 1 goal to 0. But Chelsea definitely going to qualify for the Champions League. That's what I expect. At this stage, Chelsea cannot afford to bottle the Champions League. We already have it in our grasp. And considering that Manchester United are playing Leicester City, I think Chelsea has to win. Chelsea will beat Wolves definitely.
Talking about Leicester City's chances of qualifying for the Champions League, they have not been a very good side since they returned to football from the COVID-19 break. 9 games, they had 2 wins, 4 losses, and 3 draws, which has not helped their cause at the moment. They are 5th position. They need to pick up maximum 3 points against Manchester United, irrespective of whatever Chelsea plays against Wolves. But if they end up picking up a draw, they will need Wolves to do them a favour by defeating Chelsea. Any other result other than that, they will see themselves go to the Europa League or maybe even drop further. Leicester City will really hope they can do something against a motivated Manchester United side. It's going to be really difficult. Manchester United are in a rich vein of form at the moment. But let's see how it pans out. It'll be time to see the showdown.